Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to LFCS online class. Dear students, syllabus belonging FA second formative assessment has been completed very well. Every lesson has been explained deeply. PDF of question answer, important question answer I will send to you all. On the whole, you are saying lesson 6, the making of a scientist. This lesson also I explained you. And PDF of this lesson today I am going to send you. Please write in your fair copy. And it's my expectation previous all the chapters belonging FA second you would have written in your fair copy. Maintain your copy and prepare all the chapters very closely. Learn question answer. It will be better to understand the chapter once again if you read yourself once again. The story of the lesson will be fed in mind. Try to write answer of every question in your own words. It is only matter should be correct and sentence should be grammatical. It is not necessary what answers, what lines I have given you. Exact those lines you will write in your paper. It's not any matter. You can write in your own words. Thus, answer should be correct according to the question. So prepare all the chapters. If any problem anywhere, any lesson, without any hesitation, send that question on my personal number. Without any hesitation, I will keep away your every confusion. Syllabus, I think recently I will be sent to you from first flight lesson 4, 5 and 6 from Diary of Annie Frank, one poem Amanda, lesson 5 the 100 dresses first, lesson 6 the 100 dresses second, and footprints. From footprints only one lesson. Only one lesson. The making of a scientist. You have to prepare. Please read every passage once again according yourself, because in previous exam I noticed most of the students didn't provide proper suitable answer in suitable sentences of the question picking out from the passage, from the extract, because your question paper is divided into two parts. Section A, Section B. Section A, writing and grammar. Section B, textbook, long answer. In which first question you always get what? Extract, either from prose or poetry. You would have to attempt to answer the question. At last, I would like to say you please prepare very well all the chapters in order of getting maximum mark. Thanks. Have a nice day.